Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. So today in this video I'm going to show you one of the plugin that I recently created, and it's more of solving a problem that Figma doesn't provide till now. So if I select, it's more of a design system plugin, I would say. So once I select a set of variants, you can see we have different properties that comes with this button, right? We have the type property where we can select all the primary, secondary, tertiary buttons, right? And they provide this thing where you can select all the primary buttons. But what if I want to select a primary with extra large size and that contain all the default hover active disabled states, right? So in that case Figma doesn't provide us anything. Like, it may be like they don't provide this capability where you can select multiple properties at the same time. And to be honest, I feel a lot of problem with this, because when I want to edit a particular extra large button, or let's say I just wanted to edit a particular type for a primary, or I want to change the color of this thing, then at that point I face a lot of problem, because they don't provide this capability where I can select just the extra large primary and all these states. So for that I just created a plugin, a very small plugin, but I would say very useful. So I just create this one, variant multiple selector. For that you just need to select a particular component set, and boom, it comes with all properties that this particular component set contains. And from here you can select, like, suppose I want to select a primary size with extra large and it contain all the default hover active states. So I'll just click on primary, and you can select multiple things. So if I select, I want a default hover disable active elevated focus, and for the size I just wanted to select extra large part, right? And I just click on the select matching variant, and boom, it basically select all the variants of this, right? And the use, like, why I'm creating this is basically to use to multi-edit these things. So you can just quickly just multi-edit all these kinds of features, right? At the same time, you can do with all the things, like you just wanted to select extra large for the secondary or something else. Like, this plugin have a mass use case, so you can like just do whatever you want to do, or just select all the properties that it contains, right? And it also supports multiple edits. So I just, if I go to inside of one layer, you can directly edit all these kinds of things, right? So yeah, this is a small use case that I am trying to solve, and it almost completed, but now I wanted to add some more properties where once you select the variant current property set, sorry, the what we call it as a variant set. So once you select a variant set, I wanted to add something from here where we can also access the variables from your plug from your from your design file, and you can directly add it from here only, right? That will take some time, but yeah, like for time being I just created this small thing. So it is also the one feature that I want to highlight is it is populating, the properties are changing as per you select the different variants. So now I have selected this one, so they just give me two different properties that this particular component contains, right? But if I select this one, it contains multiple properties, that's why it's coming as a multiple properties, right? So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Soon I'm going to publish it for the community where you can just use it. And yeah, thanks for your time.